Oh man, Bitcoin, Ethereum fall after Jerome Powell warns of some pain ahead in fighting inflation. So that's right, guys. So Jerome Powell has recently come out, and this is what he said. While higher interest rates, slower growth, and softer labor market conditions will bring down inflation, he continued. They will also bring some pain to households and businesses. These are unfortunate costs of reducing inflation, but a failure to restore price stability would mean far greater pain. So that's right, guys. So as you can see, the crypto markets are dumping after these statements by Jerome Powell. So let's go ahead and let's go over it, guys. We're going to go take a look at the markets, and we're going to talk about all the top crypto news stories of the week. As always, guys, I am Classic Kev, and this is not financial advice because I'm not a financial advisor. I actually live in my mom's garage. So anyway, guys, so Bitcoin sitting at 20,000, down 4%. I mean, guys, we were moving so well. I mean, we were really pumping. And, this Jerome Powell's really really rug pulled us. Ethereum down 8% sitting at 1,500. As you guys remember, we covered on this channel, Ethereum was almost $2,000. But that's why I want to talk about it, because it's an interesting date today, because we're less than a month away, about, 15 to 16 days away from the Ethereum 2.0 merge. And right now, I think what's going to happen, as always, guys, not financial advice. I'm just speculating, but I think what's going to happen is this. I think we're going to see Ethereum pull back, probably back, guys, possibly to that $800, $900, $1,000 range leading up to the merge. Then perhaps we'll have some type of pump going into the merge, with a drastic fallback after the merge. A classic buy the rumor, sell the news. So that's kind of what I'm going to be banking on, guys. So what I'm going to do is, not today, possibly tomorrow, when liquidity is low over the weekend, I'll probably make some purchases, especially, guys. So if I don't make a video, just so you guys know, if I don't make a video, if Ethereum falls into the, back to that $1,900 range, I'm loading the boat for a short-term trade, because I know it's popping back up into that 2,000 range. Gonna sell, take some profits, and just really keep it moving, guys, because unfortunately, you got to have a long-term bag, and you guys, we have to be taking profits. If we're gonna make money in these markets, if we're gonna take advantage of these markets, you have to take profits. Now, again, I have a long-term Ethereum bag. I have a long-term Cardano bag. I have a long-term Bitcoin bag. I have a long-term Solana bag. But it's time to start heavily taking profits, because, guys, I'm buying a house. I'm buying a house this year, and I want to do it cash with crypto and NFT profits. So let's go ahead. Let's get into the top crypto news stories of the day. I'll show you why I'm so bullish. So, guys, it's funny, as the Fed, Jerome Powell's come out talking about inflation. I want to show y'all why this is such a serious issue. And, look at what's going on in Venezuela. Check out this article, guys. So the Venezuela Bolivar, I don't know how to say it, that's their dollar. It dropped 35% against the U.S. dollar in 1 week. Could you imagine a scenario where you work for an entire week and your net worth is cut in half, 35%, everything you saved? Venezuela is dealing with hyperinflation. While I do not think in the United States we will ever have to deal with hyperinflation, hopefully, but we will deal with significant inflation. And as our dollar weakens, as the currency is debased, we will see asset prices go up. The critical thing for you as an investor is to move your money into the right assets that will appreciate, and assets that are a hedge against inflation. And if you follow this channel, guys, I think the number one hedge is Bitcoin. Check this out, guys. Finbull posted this. Taliban outlaws crypto in Afghanistan and starts arresting token traders. You can't make this up, guys. The Taliban now has joined who else has banned crypto? Communist China. Guys, check this out. The central banks gave us an order to stop all money changers, individuals, and business people from trading fraudulent digital currencies like what is commonly referred to as Bitcoin. So, guys, if you haven't seen, I did an interview with Natalie Brunel. It was a fantastic, phenomenal interview. Definitely go check that out, where we talk about the problem these central banks are causing for, it's a human rights issue at this point. It's a human right issue at this point. So now you have communist China, going after crypto. Now you now have the Taliban going after crypto. You have the central banks going after crypto. Are y'all starting to get it? Are y'all starting to get it that they're going after these assets because they are a direct threat? They are a direct threat to communists, to dictators, to central banks, to policymakers that debase currencies. This is exactly what this technology was built to stop. Now, inflation falls for first time in more than 2 years. Key U.S. gauge shows due to sinking gas prices. Very, very misleading article, guys, because, yeah, while the gas prices have fallen, they're still up from last year. So definitely a misleading article, guys. Inflation, we're raising interest rates is not going to stop inflation. I don't care what they say, guys. They're lying to you. They are 100% lying to you. Raising the interest rates is not going to significantly stop inflation. They need to stop printing money. They need to stop sending absurd amounts of money to Ukraine. This is what is causing the inflation. It is not Putin. It is not Russia causing the inflation. It is them printing money from the pandemic and them printing money to send to Ukraine. I mean, guys, they're sending billions. They're sending billions, weapons packages. They're essentially starting a proxy war in Ukraine against Russia. Guys, go look up the videos. The citizens of Ukraine are literally protesting America for intervening and creating this conflict. So what we have to realize is that the inflation that we're seeing, it's going to continue because the system is built on debasing the currency through quantitative easing, which is money printing. So as we continue to print money, which we have to at the rate we're going to continue to see the inflation, unfortunately. All right, guys, so check out this article. A little bullish news for y'all. I don't want to be all negative on this episode. Samsung slates crypto exchange launch in South Korea for 2023. Samsung is taking a second swing at launching a crypto exchange with initial plans reportedly thwarted by a lack of key talent. So, guys, another sign of mainstream adoption, guys. Samsung, one of the largest and most known brands in the world, is creating a crypto exchange. Guys, can't be any more bullish in the long term for that. So again, guys, this short-term volatility, while it sucks. I hate seeing my portfolio go down, guys. I'm just using this as a buying opportunity. And I'm going to keep accumulating these assets because I think I'm going to be right. Now, super bullish news, guys, because as y'all know, I just bought land in a Bored Ape Other Side metaverse. Check this out, guys. These Bored Apes will melt in your mouth. Eminem's release NFT-inspired candy. A licensing deal between Mars and music label UMG means Bored Ape NFT images are now printed on Eminem chocolate candies. So that's right, guys. So now listen, this isn't a partnership with the Bored Ape Yacht Club with M&M's. This is a co-branding deal. So if you're the owner of the intellectual property of that ape, the M&M company is paying you for the imagery of your NFT. This has never been done before. We've never been able to do something like this before. So, Bored Ape Yacht Club holders, this is just the beginning. And, you know, what I've stated on this channel, you know, I think Bored Ape Yacht Club is going to be one of the largest brands in the world. It's going to be one of the most recognizable brands in the world. You're going to see the Bored Apes in movies. You know, we're seeing them at M&M's. We're seeing rappers, you know, Snoop Dogg, Eminem doing whole features on the Bored Ape Yacht Club. This is a cultural phenomenon, and we are still at the infancy of it. The Eminem deal, guys, I believe they sold out like instantly. So you're going to see more big brands do these cross promotions. So if you're a holder of Bored Ape Yacht Club or any of the Yuga Labs NFTs, super bullish, guys. Super bullish. So check out this article, guys. The Fed wants to replace private cryptocurrencies with its own. Again, guys, check out this section from the article. In one footnote, the paper comments that this recommendation is essentially the route the People's Bank of China has taken with respect to cryptocurrencies. China banned private cryptocurrencies so that its citizens would adopt the state-run central bank digital currency. The Fed is not opposed to pursuing the same heavy-handed policy that will crowd out private cryptocurrencies, limit options for consumers, and consolidate control over Americans' payment transactions with a central bank. Now, guys, I just showed you the article of the Taliban going after cryptocurrency. So now the Fed and the United States government are going to want to go after it because they spent how long telling you cryptocurrency was bad. Now they're saying we're going to make our own central bank digital currency, modeling the policy of communist China. They want to model the communist China. Is there anything you want that China's doing? Is there anything about the Chinese form of surveillance in communist government that you want emulated in this country? We need to reject any and all central bank digital currencies. Again, guys, go watch the interview I did with Natalie Brunell. It's phenomenal. We need to reject the idea of central bank digital currencies because, guys, this isn't a right versus left issue. This isn't a Republican versus Democrat issue. This is a human rights issue. And these central bank digital currencies will restrict your freedoms. We need our money to not be politicized. We need our money to just be an open, an exchange between two individuals that has no intermediary, not a central bank, not even a crypto exchange. Any type of central form entity, any type of thing that can censor you, that can restrict your freedom, we need to reject, guys, because money is not to be politicized. Your money, think about it, guys. Your money is really your time. Your time is your most valuable asset. You work, and then you store. After you work a 40-hour work week, let's say, your labor is then stored in a monetary form into the U.S. dollar. So that money is a representation of your time. There should not be any restrictions on your money. That is all I will say on that, guys. So we need to go against central bank digital currencies at any and all costs. Check this article out, guys. A CNN article. A company that operates thousands of crypto ATMs plans to go public. So that's right, guys. So this deal is valued at $885 million. So more mainstream adoption, guys. They're going to be providing crypto. You're going to see Bitcoin crypto ATMs all over, guys. I used to be in the ATM business. I know a lot about the ATM business. And, a lot of people ask me, am I going to launch crypto ATMs? And I say no. I tried it. I don't think it's just not a good business to do, guys. The ATM business is very, very hard. And, I don't think guys, if you got the right location, don't get me wrong, a Bitcoin ATM could make you thousands. But most of the good locations are going to be taken, or the store owner is going to own their own Bitcoin ATM, and they're not going to do business with you. Not trying to defect y'all from going into the ATM business. It's a very tough business, but let me show you where I think you can make money if you want to make money, if you're interested in stuff like this. Check out this video, guys. So this is a coffee shop, and they're trying to pay for coffee, and they asked that the girl cannot pay in Bitcoin. This store has a separate terminal already set up to accept Bitcoin. Check this out, guys. So she just pulls out the separate terminal it's completely separate from the POS. It's just a simple, smart terminal, super easy to set up, super easy for merchants to accept Bitcoin. Look how fast and seamless this process is. You guys know this is the future. You're watching it. You're literally watching it, guys. This is in Gibraltar. I'm not even sure where that's at. But, guys, I believe that, and it's probably something I will get back into, is setting up these little terminals for merchants to be able to accept Bitcoin. Because what the business model will probably be is you as the business owner, what you'll probably want to do is buy these terminals, go to different shops and say, hey, I'll give you the terminal for free to accept Bitcoin, because where you'll make money on the processing fee. You'll make money that the middleman fee. And trust me, there's a ton of money in processing fees and transaction fees. I'm in the credit card processing business. A ton of money. So if you're processing Bitcoin transactions, and think about it, guys, it's a wide open market. I don't think there's any businesses really accepting Bitcoin in the United States right now. So what we're seeing in other countries will eventually come here. So guys, you've definitely make sure you like, comment, subscribe to this channel, because when Nick kicks off here, I will be covering it, and I'll probably go, to a couple businesses and really show y'all how it's done. Now, next article, guys, check out this tweet. So, breaking. Visa is launching prepaid Bitcoin card. Brazil that also pays Bitcoin rewards. So Mastercard is working with Binance to enable Bitcoin and crypto payments. So I think what we're going to start seeing, guys, like when you go to Walmart, a grocery store, they have the Visa or the Walmart or Amazon prepaid cards. I think we're going to start seeing those prepaid cards with $100 of Bitcoin, making it super easy. And in that way, people can buy the prepaid card with the Bitcoin already loaded on it. They can then go to, to the self-checkout terminals and pay with Bitcoin with no intermediary. So there's just too much money in it. So as you can see, guys, MasterCard and Visa, they're getting ahead of it. They know what's coming. They know what's coming, guys. They spent how long telling you this stuff was going to be banned? They spent how long telling you it would never be adopted? Well, check this out, guys. Top brand 2022 rankings, guys. I'm not really sure who made this ranking or what it's about. Somebody tweeted this. Disney number 1, Tesla, Apple, Sony, YouTube, some of the top brands in the world. But check this out, guys. At number 30 is sitting at Bitcoin. Sitting number 30, most recognized brand in the world. Because remember, guys, Bitcoin is a worldwide brand. Some of these other brands aren't worldwide. For example, I don't think YouTube is in China. Amazon's not in China. But Bitcoin is worldwide. Cardano's sitting at 26, the 26th most recognized brand in the world. Cardano's seeing some serious price volatility, guys. And I know if you're in Cardano, you're probably very frustrated. I don't think it's going away, guys. If they didn't go away yet, and they've been here since 2017, one of the most recognized brands in the world, I expect serious big things for Cardano, guys. But it might take a little time. But anyway, y'all. I'm Classic Kev. If you made this far in the video, thank you so much. Just drop a random emoji in the comments. Anyway, y'all, I'm Classic Kev. Thank you so much for watching. I'm out. Peace.